What's up guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing multiple unboxings, one after the other. I've already done two. I think I have like 4 more in me. Today we are doing an unboxing right now. We're doing an unboxing of Afnan, specifically the Supremacy line, where I have 4 Supremacy perfumes right in front of me. And we're gonna go through them, give first impressions, and then maybe a second impression right after that. That's it, that's all we're gonna do. It's a very quick give first impression sniff kind of thing. Unbox and first impression, that's pretty much it. Supremacy in oud. This is the box. The box opens up. Oh, the box slides out. Sorry, the box slides out like that. And this is the case of the box. Look at how pretty that is. Fantastic. And then it opens up to a broken top for some reason, or I think this, yeah, this comes off for some reason. It's very pretty, but I don't know why it comes off. I'm gonna keep that separate. And then this is the bottle in there. And let's take it out. And the top broke. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that ombre. It goes from like a caramel color to a darker brown. So this was Supremacy in Oud. So this smells pretty good. This smells manly. This smells kind of tobacco-y. I wouldn't say oudy. It just smells tobacco-y. It smells leathery maybe. It says it has agarwood, saffron, nutmeg, lavender, sweet notes, patchouli, and musk. I'm kind of getting sweetness. I'm kind of getting like a smokiness in there. It's like a sweet smoky. It's really good. I really enjoy this. It smells very manly. It smells very like you kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like a cowboy. I really like this. Dirty man, but not in a bad way. Like a sophisticated dirty man. That's kind of like the vibe I'm getting from this. Like a hero in a movie type of vibe. Down and dirty. That's what the kind of vibe it's giving me. I like it. It's very good. Next one. Next one is, I believe, Supremacy Plain and Simple. Is the original, I believe. Afnan Supremacy. The bottle is a silver bottle. This smells very citrusy. Very citrusy, very classic dude. I'm just getting a lot of citrus. Some wood in the background. Apparently this is supposed to have pineapple, blackcurrant, bergamot, apple, birch, patchouli, Moroccan jasmine, rose, musk, oak moss, ambergris, and vanilla. I'm just getting wood and citrus. I'm not necessarily getting pineapple, but I don't think it's knocking my socks off per se. It just smells very classic dude, classic man scent. Nothing that I would say is overwhelmingly, oh my god, but it's a good summer scent. I think it would be a very cool summer scent. Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition. I don't know if any of these have like massive differences. I think they should. And if you take it out, this is what it looks like. I think this is the coolest looking bottle. Ooh, this reminds me of something. This reminds me very clearly of something. I don't know what. What does this remind me of? This reminds me of another fragrance I have. Yeah, some people are saying this reminds me of Sauvage, and I kind of get that vibe. Yeah, the pineapple is very strong. The pineapple is very good. It's supposed to have white flowers like all over the place, but I don't really get that a lot. Right now, all I'm getting is pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. So it's supposed to have pineapple, bergamot, white flowers, apple, orange blossom, birch, amber, oak moss, musk, and ambergris. Right now, I'm getting pineapple, a little bit of musk, and a little bit of amber. That's all I'm getting like here. This is kind of very aggressively citrus with a little bit of wood. Kind of aggressive. This was more like a sweeter pineapple, a sweeter, more delectable pineapple. I like that more. I like this one more than I like this one. And then this one's more manly. And then the last one on my list for today, I know there's a bunch of others, but the last one for today is Not Only Intense with the black box. And by the way, all these apparently came with the door broken. All these have the door broken. Like completely broken. That sucks. Kind of like a black to gray gradient. I don't know if you can see that. It already has like little markings on the bottle. Apparently this bottle came pre-damaged. It was very nice of them to break it for me. So this is supposed to be blackcurrant, bergamot, apple, oak moss, patchouli, lavender, ambergris, musk, and saffron. This one smells greener than all the others. Now this one smells like citrus with a lot of green underneath. It's good. Also not my favorite. So all of these are good. They're all really good for different reasons. None of them I would say is my 100% my vibe. I like sweeter scents. I like scents that have like more sweet interplay. And the only one that I think matched that exactly was this one. This one is a little bit sweeter and I can play with that a little bit more. This one is also surprisingly sweet. It's like oudy sweetness. Doing a second sniff right now. It's almost like oudy, sweet, that tobacco-iness that I've got at the beginning is gone now. It's just like oody and sweet, and this is insane. I know it's insane. I know it's insane. Stop it. Don't tell me anything. Don't complain. But that oody is almost coming off as a little chocolate to me. I don't know. That's insane. I know it's crazy, but it's como like burnt chocolate. It's odd. It's weird. I know. My nose is strange. What do you want me to tell you? This is really nice. I like this one a lot. This is a weird one, and I enjoy it. In terms of Supremacy regular, it just gives me generic lemon citrus wood vibe. So this is I'm guessing very close to Club de Nuit Intense Man, which is also good, but it reminds me a lot of this one. Which one I like better, I can't really tell you, but it's good. I like it. It's just not necessarily something I gravitate towards, but I would like to wear it to see how that develops. This one I think is my favorite one out of the bunch. This one's sweeter. This one has more fruit in it. This one has more like a vibe that I can mesh with. This is very nice. This one smells like a boy toy. Like this is a young boy toy guy, and this was more my vibe. And then the last one is this one, and this one's very green. It's very green, very citrus, and I think that's the one I like the least. I think that's the most popular one, right? This is the most popular one, and that's the one I like the least, unfortunately. Overall, all of them smell good. All of them smell quality, which is nice. Just because I don't necessarily vibe with them, they're not my type of fragrance, doesn't mean they're bad. That just means that I don't particularly like them as something I would wear. But they're all pretty good in terms of quality. They all smell good. What are your thoughts, guys? Are any of these any fragrance that you would like me to review ahead of time, like move up in the schedule? Let me know. Remember that fragrances are subjective. What I like isn't necessarily what you like. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.